times. Oh, see him? He just ran. Bobby. Bobby. He's pretty much an extrovert, guys. Aren't you, Bobby? Are you my extrovert? It's okay. But these girls are very friendly. See how Bobby hides? Oh, thank you, Brandy, for the crane. Come on, bipolar Bobby, you're gonna come out? He is adorable, guys, but he gets to be angry or mean at the same time. Bobby, are you gonna come out? And I've had Bobby, guys, for a while. You just never know how his mood's gonna be. That's kind of why I've named him Bipolar Bobby. Bobby.